are pleased to show you the 2017 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, CD player, electronic stability control, compass, heated front seats, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, tachometer, power moonroof, remote keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.